So hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at a cheap product that every new YouTuber should buy if you are low on a budget. It is the BOYA lavalier mic. What is a lavalier mic? I hope my English translation is okay. Is these little mics that you have to clip on your clothes. So the main goal of these mics is to be close to your mouth and to be able to record clearly what you are saying. So this is perfect for YouTube, for vlog, things like that. This version comes with a wire, and when I mean a wire, it's like 20 feet or 6 meters. So you can still be very far away from your camera and talk in your room, and you always get the perfect sound no matter what. And when I'm talking about a perfect sound, I mean it's a $20 microphone. Don't expect to be like a professional result. This is really to begin with, to be a second microphone if you have a problem with your main one. The best thing about this product is the little cylinder. First of all, there is a switch, an on-off switch. When you put it to off, it's just a simple microphone that you can use with your smartphone, tablet, things like that. But when you put it to on, there is a little battery inside of the cylinder. Then it's compatible with your DSLR. And why this is important? Because you need, and it's very important for lower budget DSLR like this Canon SL2, the preamp in this camera is not the best. If you do not provide a good power sound level to the camera, you will end up with white noises or hisses like tss, and we will do a test later. I see a lot of people complaining on YouTube about problem like that. You have to understand, you really need that battery. You really need to push a good sound level to the camera. So I can continue talking and talking, but in the end there is only one thing that you want to know is how good it sounds. So you heard me talking with it, so you know how it sounds. I don't have the most good sounding voice on the planet, but anyhow. Now I will shut up and please listen if you hear any white noise or things like that. So now I will compare with the Canon SL2 without the microphone. So yeah, this is the sound from the Canon SL2 microphone. I hope it sounds worse than with the BOYA microphone. Now I will shut up again and please listen to the white noise. The microphone comes with a little pouch, which is good for a $20 product. It comes with an audio adapter with the instruction. You get the camera. The battery is included in it. As I said, this is a 20 feet cable, so you can go anywhere in your room. So all in all, it's a good product. If you want to start your YouTube channel, you need a cheap microphone. The BOYA, buy it, you won't be disappointed. Thank you all, see you next time. It's Tech Dad, and please subscribe. I have a very small channel, it will help me. Thank you, ciao.